To view the event history in a Notifier Fire Warden 50X, start by pressing Menu. You want to read status mode, selection 1. Scroll down twice to History, selection 3. You can view all. This is showing that a trouble cleared on smoke detector in computer room 1 on June 25th, 2024. The address of the device is detector number 001. This event is showing when it went into trouble at 7:35 on the same date. You can scroll further back in history as needed. To exit, just hit the escape button to the system normal screen.